WalliN house entry installation video. Measure the dimensions to find the correct position of the drill hole. Mark the drilling position on the inside. Drill a core hole with a diameter of 65 to 80 millimeters. Attach the sealing tape to the pipe. Insert the pipe into the hole and bring it into the right position. Screw the screw-on attachment onto the pipe using your hands. Inject the sealant from the outside into the cavity between the drill hole and the pipe and wait until it has set. Push the pipeline through the WalliN and tighten the screw connection. For more information on the WalliN house entry, visit www.psi-products.com.